Lainey's World.
Hi everybody, it's Lainey. Welcome today to Lainey's World. I'm so glad you're here. Today we're going to read a story called My Ferry Ride. You ready? Let's go. I want to ride a ferry boat across the open sea. See a pod of orca whales that swim in front of me. And on the shore, the towering trees reaching for the sky, whispering secrets in the breeze as nature's lullaby. Gentle waves in harmony against the ferry's side, reflecting shades of blue and green on this tranquil ride. Seagulls dance on salty air, their calls a joyful tune. Guide the way with grace and flair beneath both sun and moon. Scent of salt and seaweed intermingles with the air, a symphony of nature's grace for all who venture there. In the distance, dolphins play, their splashes like a song, nature's canvas on display as we sail along. On the shore, the sunlight falls, dappling forest floor, a tapestry of vibrant hues like never seen before. The birds all chirp in harmony, a melody so sweet that echoes through the canopy in sync with nature's beat. Beneath the water's surface, a coral world's alive. A world of colors, shapes, and forms where ocean's creatures thrive. Whales that breach and dive with grace, their mighty tails in air. A symphony of pure delight, a sight beyond compare. A distant breeze, a gentle sigh, as trees converse in hush. Serenity of evening calm, and nature green and lush. Majestic mountains rise above, their peaks a snowy crown, and water splashes into coves where waterfalls fall down. And as the ferry sails along, embracing nature's grace, I think about the earth's pure song in this serene embrace. The journey takes us far and wide, with nature all around. My ferry trip, a perfect ride across the open sound. The end. Thank you everybody for coming today, and I hope to see you next time. And remember, in the meantime, keep reading. Bye.